Mm, 5 more minutes. Just 5. What? Let me check the time. No way. It's 8:30. I'm late. I'm so late. I can't believe it. I overslept again. Why didn't I hear the alarm? Now I have no time for breakfast. Great. Just great. Where's my shirt? Where are my shoes? Ugh, everything is a mess. This day is already going wrong, and it just started.
Emma, are you awake?
Yes, but I overslept. I was supposed to wake up at 7. Now I'm going to be late for work.
Oh dear. Did your alarm not go off?
It did, but I turned it off and fell back asleep. Ugh, I hate this.
Take a deep breath. Getting upset won't help. What do you need? Can I help?
Thanks, Mom. I just need to get dressed fast. Where's my blue shirt?
I think it's in the laundry room. Wait, I'll get it for you.
You're a lifesaver. Thank you. Do we have any food I can take with me?
There are some bananas on the table. Grab one.
Got it. Okay. I think I'm ready now.
Don't forget your keys.
Oh, right. I can't believe this is happening. What a terrible morning.
Hey, it's just a rough start. The day isn't over yet.
I hope it gets better. Thanks again, Mom.
Good luck, sweetie. Be careful.
Bye. Come on. Please let the bus still be there. No, wait. I can't believe it. I missed it by 10 seconds.
You just missed it?
Yeah, I saw it leave. It's like the driver waited for me to almost arrive, then left on purpose.
Ugh, they do that all the time. Never wait 1 extra second.
I literally ran 3 blocks. Do you know when the next one comes?
Probably in 15 or 20 minutes. These buses are never on time.
Oh, great. Just perfect. First, I oversleep. Now this.
Bad day?
Very. Alarm didn't wake me up. I forgot my work ID, and now I'm going to be super late. Oof, that's rough. But hey, at least it's not raining. True. I guess that would make it worse. I'm Emma, by the way.
Nice to meet you. I'm Rosa.
Nice to meet you too, Rosa. Thanks for talking to me. I was about to cry.
Don't worry. Happens to the best of us. Yesterday, I dropped my lunch on the subway floor. Everyone saw.
No way. That's horrible. Did anyone help?
Nope. But one guy gave me a cookie. Random kindness.
That's sweet. I guess small good things happen too.
Always. Even on bad days.
I think I'll order a ride. I really don't want to be late again.
Good idea. I hope you get there fast and cheap.
Same. Thanks again, Rosa. You made my day a little better.
You got this, Emma. Deep breaths. You'll be okay.
I will. Bye.
Bye. Have a better day.
Sorry, I can't take you closer. The street ahead is blocked with traffic.
Oh no, really? That's just my luck today.
Yeah, it's been like this every morning this week. If I go in there, we'll be stuck for half an hour.
I don't have half an hour. I'm already late.
You can walk from here. It's about 4 or 5 blocks.
All right, I'll walk. Thanks for the ride.
Good luck. Hope you make it on time.
Thanks. I'll need it. Today's been a disaster already.
Bad mornings happen. The day might surprise you.
I hope so. Wow, what a morning. First, I overslept, then I missed the bus, and now I'm stuck walking the rest of the way? It's just a few blocks. I can handle it. But I'm so tired. I need coffee before I even think about work. Oh, perfect. There's a cafe right there. Coffee first, then the office.
Good morning. What can I get started for you?
Hi, one medium coffee, please?
Sure thing. Tough morning?
You have no idea. I missed the bus, almost cried in public, and I still have to walk 5 more blocks.
Oof. Sounds like you really need this coffee.
Yes, if this coffee can fix today, I will believe in miracles.
Well, this coffee's got power. Trust me. We call it the comeback cup.
I'll take any comeback I can get right now.
Hang in there. Bad mornings don't last forever.
Ah! Oh no! Seriously? I cannot believe this!
Oh, shoot. Are you okay?
Yeah. I mean, no burns. But my shirt is ruined. It's coffee and Monday. That's just mean.
Let me grab napkins. Lots of napkins.
Thank you. I don't even know why I'm trying today.
Hey, don't say that. You're here, right? Still going.
Barely. First, I oversleep, then miss the bus, now this.
You're the third person this week to spill. That spot is cursed.
Seriously?
Yeah, we even call it the splash zone. Might put up a warning sign.
Okay, that's funny. At least I can laugh a little.
I'll remake your coffee. No charge. This one's on me.
You don't have to, really.
I insist. Everyone deserves a small win on a bad day.
You're actually making me feel better. Thank you.
Anytime. Remember, it's just a rough start, not a bad life.
That's a good way to think. Okay, I'm ready to keep going.
You got this. New cup, new mood.
Exactly. Thanks again. Finally, I made it to the office. What a morning. I just hope things calm down once I sit at my desk.
Morning, Emma. You okay? You look like you ran here.
Morning, Mark. Yeah, I basically did. This morning has been a complete disaster.
Yikes. What happened?
Overslept, missed the bus, spilled coffee on myself, and I think I left something important at home.
Oh no. That sounds rough. Anything I can do?
Thanks, but no. I just need to sit down and breathe for 2 seconds.
Emma, there you are. Do you have the Johnson files? We need them for the 9:30 meeting.
The Johnson files. Oh no. No.
What is it?
I left them at home. I printed them out last night and I set them on the dining table so I wouldn't forget. But I was in such a rush this morning.
Emma, we've talked about preparation. That file includes key figures for the client presentation.
I'm so sorry. I know how important it is. This morning has been a nightmare from the start.
Can anyone bring it to you? A roommate? Family?
Maybe my mom. She's probably home. I'll call her now.
Okay, please update me as soon as you know. If needed, we'll delay the meeting.
Yes, I'll fix this. Thank you. Hey, Mom. Quick question. Is there a blue folder on the dining table?
Yes, it's right here. Did you forget it?
Yup. It's for an important meeting. Can you bring it to my office? Like, now?
Of course, honey. I'll leave in 5 minutes. Should take about 20 to get there.
Thank you. Thank you. I owe you big time.
Don't worry. You've got this. Just stay calm.
She's bringing it now. It'll be here in about 20 minutes.
All right. I'll push the meeting to 10 a.m. Let's hope traffic is kind.
Yes, thank you so much for for being flexible. I really appreciate it.
I know you care, Emma, but this can't happen again. Prepare backups. Use checklists. Whatever it takes.
Understood. I'll be more careful moving forward. Promise.
Good. Let me know when the file arrives.
So, the file made a run for it.
More like I left it behind during the chaos.
That stinks. Want half of my muffin? It's blueberry.
Honestly, I would love that. You know what? This muffin is the best thing that's happened to me today.
It's the little wins.
Exactly. Hopefully, the folder shows up and I survive the meeting.
You will. You've already survived the morning. That's a win on its own.
What a morning. Overslept, missed the bus, spilled coffee, and forgot my important files. And honestly, I thought I wouldn't survive it. But here I am, still breathing, still working. And you know what? It's not all bad. My mom is bringing me the file, Mark shared his muffin, and the barista reminded me to laugh, even when things go wrong. Sometimes bad days feel impossible, but small things, kindness, patience, even a blueberry muffin, can make a big difference. That's life. Not every day is perfect, but every day teaches us something. And tomorrow is always a new chance. What about you? Have you ever had a day where everything went wrong? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And if today's video helped you learn some new phrases, don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice these expressions in your own daily conversations. You're doing great. Keep going.